In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch account on Zoom. If you use Zoom for both personal and work meetings, being able to switch accounts quickly helps keep your schedules, contacts, and settings in the right place. This process is the same idea whether you're in the Zoom desktop app or using the web portal. With Zoom open and you're signed in, move to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile image or your initials inside a small circle. This is your account menu. Click it to open a drop-down. If your window is small, it may look like a compact icon, but it's still the profile button. This menu is where Zoom keeps account-related options like your profile, settings, sign out, and the option we need next. In that drop-down, click Switch Account. This tells Zoom you want to jump to a different profile without fully signing out. It's faster than logging out and back in, and it keeps your app window exactly where it is. If you don't immediately see Switch Account, make sure your Zoom app is up to date or try expanding the window so the full menu appears. In some organizations that use single sign-on, the label or placement can look slightly different, but it will serve the same purpose. After selecting Switch Account, Zoom shows the accounts that are available on your device. You'll recognize them by the avatar and the email domain, or by the label your organization uses. Click the account you want to use. Zoom will refresh with that account's meetings, chat, and settings. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place by checking the profile icon again and scanning your upcoming meetings on the home screen. Remember, features like cloud recording access, webinar licenses, and your personal meeting ID are tied to the account you're using, so switching ensures you have the right permissions for what you need to do. A few helpful tips as you work. It's best not to switch accounts while you're actively in a meeting, since it can interrupt your session. Finish or leave the meeting first. If something looks off after you join, like your display name, virtual background options, or the ability to record, open the profile menu and switch to the account that has the correct settings. If you use different sign-in methods, such as single sign-on, Google, or Apple, choose the version of the account that matches how it was set up. And on shared computers, remember to sign out fully when you're done. That's all there is to it. You've successfully switched accounts in Zoom quickly and confidently.